Crankshaft parts and function. The crankshaft is the mechanical heart of an internal combustion engine. Its primary function is to convert the linear, up and down reciprocating motion of the pistons into rotational motion. This rotational power is then sent to the transmission to drive the vehicle's wheels. Function. Main journals. The cylindrical sections that sit in the engine block. They act as the axis of rotation and are supported by main bearings, allowing the shaft to spin smoothly. Crank pins, rod journals. Offset from the main journals, these are the points where the connecting rods, which link to the pistons, are attached. The offset converts the piston's linear thrust into rotational torque, determining the engine's stroke length, the distance the piston travels. Crank webs, cheeks. The thick metal arms that connect the main journals to the crank pins. They provide structural rigidity and space for counterweights. Counterweights. Heavy weights placed opposite the crank pins. They offset the weight of the pistons and connecting rods to balance the engine and significantly reduce vibration. Oil passages. Internal drilled channels that pump pressurized oil to the main journals and crank pins. This creates a vital film of lubrication to prevent metal-on-metal friction. Flywheel flange. A mounting plate located at the rear of the shaft. It connects to the flywheel, or flex plate, which helps smooth out power delivery and connects the engine to the transmission. Pulley end, snout. The front end of the crankshaft. It features a keyway to attach the harmonic balancer and pulleys that drive engine accessories like the alternator, water pump, and power steering.